The 14th Amendment to the United States Constitution is one of the most important and far-reaching amendments in American history. Ratified on July 9, 1868, it established the principles of citizenship, due process, and equal protection under the law, fundamentally reshaping the nation after the Civil War. This amendment became the legal backbone for civil rights movements, desegregation, and numerous landmark Supreme Court rulings. The 14th Amendment was created during the Reconstruction era, a time of rebuilding and redefining America following the end of slavery. After the Civil War, 1861 to 1865, the country faced the enormous challenge of integrating formerly enslaved African Americans into society. The 13th Amendment, 1865, had abolished slavery, but Southern states quickly passed Black codes, restrictive laws designed to limit the rights and freedoms of Black citizens. These laws attempted to maintain racial hierarchy and economic control, effectively keeping many African Americans in a state of quasi-slavery. To counter these injustices, Congress proposed the 14th Amendment, ensuring that all persons born or naturalized in the United States were granted full citizenship. This directly overturned the infamous Dred Scott v. Sandford, 1857, Supreme Court decision, which had ruled that African Americans could never be citizens. The amendment also established equal protection under the law, preventing states from discriminating against individuals based on race or status. The amendment consists of 5 sections, but its most impactful provisions are found in Section 1, which guarantees birthright citizenship, due process, and equal protection. This section has been the foundation for numerous legal battles concerning civil rights, immigration, and discrimination. Another key provision, Section 2, addressed voting rights by penalizing states that denied the vote to male citizens. However, the amendment did not yet extend voting rights to women, leading to the later push for the 19th Amendment, 1920, which granted women the right to vote. Section 3 barred former Confederate officials from holding public office, while Section 4 ensured that the United States would not be responsible for Confederate debts. Section 5 granted Congress the power to enforce the amendment's provisions through legislation. Despite its ratification, the 14th Amendment faced fierce resistance, particularly in the South. Many states enacted Jim Crow laws, enforcing racial segregation and disenfranchising Black voters. The Supreme Court, in Plessy v. Ferguson, 1896, upheld segregation under the infamous separate but equal doctrine, effectively weakening the amendment's impact for decades. The civil rights movement of the 20th century revitalized the 14th Amendment as a legal tool against racial discrimination. In Brown v. Board of Education, 1954, the Supreme Court ruled that segregation in public schools violated the Equal Protection Clause, overturning Plessy v. Ferguson and setting the stage for desegregation. The amendment has also played a major role in LGBTQ+ rights, reproductive rights, and immigration policy. In Obergefell v. Hodges, 2015, the Supreme Court ruled that same-sex marriage was protected under the Equal Protection and Due Process Clauses of the 14th Amendment. Similarly, in Roe v. Wade, 1973, the court used the Due Process Clause to establish a woman's right to privacy in medical decisions, though this ruling was overturned in Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization, 2022. Today, the 14th Amendment remains at the center of debates on affirmative action, police reform, voting rights, and immigration. The issue of birthright citizenship, in particular, has become a controversial topic in modern politics. The 14th Amendment is often referred to as the second founding of the United States, as it reshaped the meaning of citizenship, democracy, and equal rights. Though challenges remain, it continues to serve as a powerful legal foundation for the protection of civil liberties, ensuring that the promise of equality under the law endures for future generations.